Hello, Sequoia sixth graders. I'm going to quickly talk you through the schedule for this week, May 18th through May 22nd. It's a little bit different than previous weeks, so I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly what Canvas is going to look like and how to access all of the assignments. Okay, here we go. Welcome to sixth grade math. You can see this page looks the same as it has always looked. If you scroll down, you can see links to previous learning, so week 1 through week 4. You can also click on the extra learning, and that will bring you to additional resources if you want to practice some more skills at home. Now, beneath that, you're going to see our current learning. There's the Welcome to Week 5 video, which is what I'm filming now, so it's not quite added to my page. And below that, you're going to see the Week 5 schedule. The schedule is going to look a little bit different than it has in previous weeks because we have a new sort of assignment this week, and those are going to be on Wednesday and Friday, and I'll talk through those as we get to them. First, on Monday, you have your one iReady lesson for the week. You're going to click on this link and you're going to complete your assigned iReady lesson, which is area of parallelograms, quadrilaterals, and polygons. This link is going to bring you to your Clever login. You're going to log in with Google. You're going to log in with your user name, which is your ID number at p12fwps.org, and your district password. Then you're going to click on your assigned lessons and finish that area of quadrilaterals, polygons, and parallelograms. On Tuesday, you're going to have 4 choices from our choice board. You can work on a tangram puzzle. You can practice finding area of complex shapes. You can work on those pentomino puzzle that I sent out a few weeks ago, or you can play a game called The Parking Lot. You might be familiar with this from just the actual game that you might see in front of you in a typical classroom where you have cars in a parking lot and you have to arrange them in order to get one of them out. On Wednesday, we're going to have our first brand new assignment. It's going to be a Canvas quiz. It's going to be a quiz on least common multiple and greatest common factor. You click on this link here, it's going to bring you to your quiz. The top here, it's going to have our instructions, our learning target. I will practice finding common factors and multiples. This is an opportunity for you to improve your overall class grade. So I really encourage you to take your time to watch these videos to review and then work through the questions carefully. This quiz has 5 questions related to the learning target and a few for reflection questions. So you're going to work through the first 5 questions, finding the least common multiple or the greatest common factor. And then you're going to have a few questions where you're going to have a chance to reflect. For example, on question 6, think back to that learning target and type in what skills you needed to solve all of the questions on the quiz. So did you have to practice multiplication? Did you do division? What was your strategy? And talk through those skills here. Questions 7, 8, and 9 are more about how you think you did and how you can improve going forward. Okay, let's go back to our home page. On Thursday, we have another choice day. Pick one of those 4 choice activities, spend 20 minutes or so, or pick a few and spend 20 minutes in total working through those choice activities. And then on Friday, we have our second quiz, dividing fractions. This quiz also has 5 questions connected to the learning target of I will practice dividing fractions. Once again, this is a chance to improve your overall class grade. So watch the videos that we've supplied here and take your time. If you are especially eager to improve your grade on these standards, which are 6 NS1 and 6 NS4, then I really encourage you taking your time, watching these videos, using some scratch paper, and really attempting every single question. At the end of this quiz, you are also going to see some reflection questions, the same as the one that you saw on the previous quiz. What skills did you need to solve the questions on this quiz? And then how did you prepare? Did you watch those videos? Did you look back through your INB? Did you talk to your teacher? And then overall, how confident are you feeling? Do you feel like you need some more help, or do you feel like you really understand it? And then last, is there anything you would do differently to prepare for the next quiz? Take these reflection questions seriously, because it's an opportunity for your teacher, whether it be Mrs. Hall, Mrs. Phillips, or me, to better help you prepare for quizzes in the future. Okay, I'm going to click back to our home page and remind you one more time. This week you have 3 assigned lessons. You have your iReady lesson. You have your Canvas quiz on least common multiple and greatest common factor. And then you have your Canvas kit quiz on dividing fractions. If you need any help or have any questions, reach out to your math teacher and we should be able to help you out to ensure that you can be as successful as you need to be and want to be on these quizzes, and so that you can improve your class grade. Thank you, have a great week, and stay safe.